What is up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, how's it going? How you doing? I'm doing good, thanks for asking. Okay, so I went to Michael's and I wanted to do this other DIY separately because, you know, I wanted to separate from the other DIYs. I don't know. I did a DIY. If you guys haven't seen that clip I did, I will leave that link down below. Go ahead and check that out. I'm pretty excited about. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I'm a little nervous because it's my first time actually doing this. Let's get to it, shall we? So the things that I got is stencils of the alphabet. I thought this was really cool. I also got a different stencil, but these are a lot smaller. I end up getting stickers, like the letters, and a white t-shirt. Yes! I was pretty much inspired of David Dobrik clickbait shirt with the sweater that had the clickbait all the way around. So I thought that was really cool. I'm gonna be doing the same thing, but a bit different. I will be doing pretty much my intro, what I always say, what is up? So I'm gonna be doing that on my t-shirt. The paint that I got is the fabric paint. This says plush. When I was at Michael's, they didn't have other paint. I guess they were out of stock. So this was the only one they had. So I gotta work what I got, right? Just bear with me, please. I totally forgot that you're gonna need some tape. I got this kind of tape. Paint sponge, of course, and a cardboard box. First thing is by adding the cardboard box into the shirt. It should look like this. I don't like how the letters are like that, so I'm gonna cut it into small square. So I decided to line it up like that so I know where I'm cutting exactly. I'm probably gonna get a lot of hate for this, for cutting it. All right, so I got my letters cut out.
One hour later.
And it really takes 24 hours to dry. Why can't paint just like dry instantly? Wow, that looks so cool. So now I'm gonna add the other letters together and I will be right back. All right, you guys, so I'm actually done with the bottom piece. So this is how it looks. Dude, I'm actually happy with this. I really am. So now I'm gonna be doing the sleeve part, which is like right here down the middle. All right, so I'm actually done with one side of the sleeve. Of course, you're not gonna have all the letters in there, but it's funny, I have the word hat is up, which I'm okay with it. So now I'm gonna do the other sleeve and I'll be right back. Here is the finished t-shirt one. And I also did the back, just right where the neck is. So I'm gonna try it on and show you guys how it looks. What?
What the f?
Literally, I'm happy how the shirt came out. Like, what is up? Why not? This could be my merch right here. Like, come on.
Are you sure about that?
Would you guys ever wear this shirt? Like, come on. You guys could do it yourself too. You know, this is a DIY for a reason. But I do like how this shirt came out. This would be my first DIY t-shirt. What is up? I really do hope you guys enjoy. If you do, hit that like button in the face. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Make sure you hit that notification bell button so you guys won't miss any of my upcoming video. And comment down below and tell me what you think about this shirt. If you guys want to follow me on my Instagram, my Snapchat, it will be also right here or down below. That is it for my video. I will see you guys next time. Peace.